Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make perfect Americano using these 3 easy steps. First step is grab your favorite coffee. Second step is let's set the grind size and grind time. As you can see, my grind size is number 7 and grind time at 18 seconds. Let's talk about basket first before we start grinding some coffee. Stock baskets is up to 16 gram. So if you're doing the 16 gram, instead of 18 seconds, change to 16 seconds. It's about gram per second. Since I'm using the 18 gram baskets, so I'm using the 18 seconds. Now let's grind some coffee beans. Okay, as you can see, we did 18 seconds, we got 17.1 gram out. So I did about half seconds more. And after that, I got about 18.2 gram. So, I just take some little out. So it's about 18 gram right now, perfectly 18 gram. So here's the thing. So which means next time if I'm gonna grind coffee, instead of 18 seconds, change 18 seconds to 18.5 seconds, just about half second, a little longer. And then you should be right on it. And at this point, let's prepare the puck and let's brew. Before we brew the espresso, let's talk about ratio. There's a lot of information out there. 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3. If I were you, I'm going to start with the 1 to 2 ratio. Okay, so 18 gram going in, about 36 gram out. Okay, between 36 and 40 gram. It's not going to be perfect, precise, but it's going to be close enough. Okay, so let's start with around 36 to 40 gram. Now we're going to simply press the double cup button and let's machine do the work. The shot looks fantastic there. It's about 37 gram. So I was shooting for between 36 and 40 grams. So this is a perfect shot. And the yield was about 24 seconds. You may not see the time, but the timer said about 24 seconds. So by all means, this is a perfect shot. And then let's put everything together. Personally, I like the hot water from the kettle, from stovetop. Something about boiling hot water instead of a machine there. So just comes to, just eyeball it. Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect. So this is a 8-ounce cup there. So yeah, have that much room left. And then simply espresso right on the top, guys. Okay, just like so. Okay, look at that. So this is perfect. And you're gonna have this beautiful crema on the top as well. Just make sure to stir it. Okay. So this is how to make perfect Americano. Did I say perfect? I mean, this is really good Americano. Smells fantastic as well. Cheers, guys.